that the Anuradhapura railway station, Anuradhapura is 200 kilometers away from Colombo city, which is the capital of Sri Lanka. And the important day today is Prime Minister Narendra Modi, who is going to be arriving here very shortly for the inauguration of the upgraded railway track of the Maho-Manthai railway line. The Maho-Manthai railway line is a project that has been completed after 2 years. This is a line of credit to the tune of 318 million US dollars that has been extended by the government of India. The government of India has worked extensively with the government of Sri Lanka, and there is a public sector company, an Indian public sector company by the name of Ircon, that has been working on this project to lay this railway track of 128 kilometers. And not just that, Prime Minister Narendra Modi is also going to be launching the construction of the signalling system for the Maho-Anuradhapura railway line. Now, this is another project which is part of the extension of the line of credit, which is to the tune of 14.9 million US dollars under another line of credit that has been extended by the government of India. It is important to note that the Indian government has been working with Sri Lanka to ensure that connectivity within the country of Sri Lanka is improved upon by way of setting up complex railway tracks and railway lines in the northern provinces and the southern provinces of Sri Lanka. Not just that, it's also interesting to note that there is credit lines to the tune of 1 billion US dollars that India has extended to Sri Lanka to build this massive complex structure of railway lines, railway system across Sri Lanka. This is going to allow for speedy, convenient traveling, transportation of goods and services, and thereby also impacts the connectivity issues that Sri Lanka has been facing and allow for the economy to burgeon.